Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can exit a group without any notification on WhatsApp. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to create a new group from here and I'm going to add the second device in that group. Alright, so in order to exit the group without any notification, you just need to block the admin of that specific group. And then just simply leave the group and the admin will not get any notification. That's how you can exit a group on WhatsApp. So all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.